no telling diseases or bacteria or
permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y aletas dentro del vehículo y los
see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
Whoa! You're like totally stopped. Well, Choo, here's what you do. Stay in your seats while the crush man sees what he can do to get you moving again. In the big old blue.
Who's Nemo?
He's my son.
Listen up, explorers. Good news. Stay in your seats because we're about to get started again. Keep your eye out for Nemo along the way. Oh, let's go.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you when he's small?
Yes, have you seen him?
Who's he you? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo.
where? Mr. Silverman.
That's why I play games.
I do games. I love games.
Nemo. Oh, jellyfish.
Right. Oh, now I'm thinking of something kind of
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something.
Watch out.
Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around.
I love games. You're not gonna Wow, it's echoey in here.
Dory, do something.
Hey, snappy dog. Can't catch me.
Swim but everybody's looking for you.
Really? When your dad couldn't find you, I was all like, whoa! And then he was like, whoa! Now you're just like, It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay! Nemo! It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there? There's so much to know. In the big blue world. Ready to go. Ready to go? Let's go.
Oh, I get to see the root canal. Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but it just never stops. I mean, never, 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 never.